Hi everyone, Happy New Year. I welcome you all to my channel. This year we are going to teach ourselves a perfect cooking. In today's episode, we are going to teach ourselves how to cook rice in 2 minutes. Yes! I know some of you will be like, "Only possible? It cannot be possible." Do you know how many research that I take on the road, sleeping up and down, just for me to say and understand how to cook rice in 2 minutes? And we are ready to teach you, because you are why I got research today. Then after my 41 days in the year, I later get the final answer of how to cook rice in 2 minutes. It's very simple. Make sure you are following what I'm going to teach you. Thank you. This is your rice and this is your salt. This is your tray. So you will now take the rice, pour it inside the tray like this. Make sure you pour it very gently. Then you now take the rice like this. Okay. As you can see, it's very neat. You now put it down. Then you look for your pot. So this is your pot. You will now go and take your water to cook the rice. Make sure you erase it very well. It is very, very important. You will now collect your water, and it depends on how many of you in your family. Don't let anybody tell you say you cannot use agoloko to cook rice. Agoloko rice is okay for 5 people. I think this one is okay like this. Then you close your water. So now esa oyibo ni sapa lori. So this is our gas. Then your pot, you now put it like this. And see, let me tell you one thing, it is very important. According to my research, see, if you want your rice to be okay, most especially for the extended family, in the family, you don't need to erase it, because the more you wash it, the more the thing that is supposed to make it it will be coming down. It will not swell up. So I will advise you, according to my research, don't erase it, and you are going to do like this. Can you see? It's very neat. So we will be pouring it very gently, very gently. You open your pot. I'm going very gently. As you can see, I'm taking my time to teach you how to perfectly make rice in 2 minutes. You cover it up. So after that, you open it again. So you now take your salt. It is very, very important in rice. Though this salt is too small for this rice, but based on my research, you can manage it. But if you want to cook your own, make sure you get 2 or 3 of this salt to make the thing come out well. Do you understand me? Okay. So I'm taking my time now. So you now pour the salt like this. You pour it very gently. Since our salt is okay now, so you go and wash your hand. Before you wash your hand finish, your rice will have been done. Thank you. Wash your hand very neat. So right now we have washed our hand very neat. So it's already past 2 minutes. I'm very sure our rice will have been done. Very sweet. But I don't know. Rice, it will be done in 2 minutes, and you accept it. Do you want to kill yourself? Are you planning on committing homicide? Some rice pass okutafa in 2 days self, it's never done. I've never seen any rice that will be done in 2 minutes. So please and please, this my rice is not done in 2 minutes. According to my research, there's no rice that can be done in 2 minutes. That you want your rice to be done in 2 minutes. I have a solution for you. You can follow this procedure. Thank you.